In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new account on OneNote. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to confirm everything so your additional personal, work, or school notes sync smoothly. Start by opening OneNote. You can use the desktop or mobile app, or launch OneNote in your web browser. If you're on the web and see a sign-in screen tied to an existing profile, look for the option that says Sign in with a different account. Choose that so we can add the new account without interfering with the one that's already there. If you're already inside OneNote, head to your profile settings. You'll usually find your profile picture or initials in the top corner. In some versions, this may be inside a three-dotted menu. Open that menu, then select Add Account, or tap the plus sign if you see it. This is the gateway to connecting another Microsoft account to OneNote. When prompted, enter the email address for the account you want to add, followed by the password. Depending on your organization's security, you might be asked to approve a verification prompt or complete multi-factor authentication. That's normal and helps keep your notes secure. If OneNote asks whether the account is personal or a work or school account, choose the correct type so you land in the right place. After you sign in, OneNote will connect the new account and begin syncing any notebooks associated with it. Give it a moment. Larger notebooks can take longer to appear. If you don't immediately see what you're expecting, check the notebook list and refresh. You can switch between accounts from the same profile menu whenever you need to, which is especially helpful if you keep personal planning and team projects separate. A few tips to make this smoother. If you don't see Add Account in your menu, update OneNote to the latest version and check again. If you primarily use OneNote on mobile, the same steps apply. Profile icon or three-dotted menu, Add Account or the plus, then sign in. When creating new notebooks going forward, be mindful of which account you're currently using so your content ends up in the right place. And once you're done, confirm that sync has completed before going offline. That's it. Open OneNote. Go to your profile settings, select Add Account or the plus sign, and sign in. On the web, use Sign in with a different account to bring in your additional profile. You're ready to manage multiple accounts in OneNote with confidence.